guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dorothy Achaleke. For today we are going to be doing the distress false locks that I see is going on right now and something that is trending. So I wanted to try that on my shaved head and see how that turns out. Please stay tuned and enjoy this video. So for right now, as you can see, I'm just moisturizing my hair. Before you do any hairstyle, make sure you moisturize your scalp pretty well and make sure your hair is moisturized as well. You do not want any breakage when you get the hair done, and you do not want your hair to be kind of dry in the process of getting your hair done. So for the product I'm going to be using is Shine and Jam, and then I also got the hair Lulu Tress crochet hair water wave in the color 30. That would be the 18 inches. And then I also got the Lulu Tress 1B30 as well in the 18 inches. So I used the 30 and the color 1B30, and then I got the twist up expression in the color 2T1B30. So we're also going to be needing a crochet needle. And then right now what I'm doing is I'm just using the Shine and Jam. So what that does is it's just hold the hair in place and then gives it all neat and silky flow to the hair, and it also gives the hair the shine to it as well. So right now basically I'm just crocheting the hair. First hair I crocheted was the twisted up hair, and then now I'm gonna add the Lulu Tress and the color 1B30. So basically, if you know how to crochet hair through your own hair, is basically the same concept, and you just want to pull it through, and then from there I just make sure it's straight because I want the black part, the 1B part, to stay to the root of my hair. Yeah, because that was what I was kind of going for. I wanted the style to have the dark part at the root, which is the 1B. And then I mean, you can always do which way is best for you, but that was the style that I was kind of going for. That's why you see me doing it with the 1B30. So basically right now I'm just wrapping the hair. You don't want to wrap it too tight at the root, and then from there you just start to walk your way up, and then you can see how I wrap it around my finger, my thumb. So basically I wanted to have that distressed look. That's why you see me doing it a couple of times. So let me tell you, this is my first time doing this distress look on my hair. I haven't done this style before. It was my first time trying it. And please leave a comment below and tell me how I did. What do you think? So right now I'm just gonna add the Lulu Tress hair in the color 30, because when I do the wrapping, whenever I come to an end with the 1B30, I just grab the 30 and continue my way out till I get the desired length that I'm going for. So basically that's why you have the other color. So that was my purpose of buying the 1B30 and then the 30 in both 18 inches. So basically I'm just measuring to make sure they're about the same length, and then once you get the desired length, the remaining part of the hair, you're just gonna wrap it around, working your way back up so that it stays in place and the hair doesn't unravel. So exactly what I'm doing right now, and just wrapping it back up to make sure it's secure and it won't unravel. And let me tell you, it stayed in place. It did not unravel. So this is the second attempt to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So you can just watch and see. And it wasn't tight. The hair was super light. It was super light to do. I mean, it took me about an hour to 2 hours to complete this look. So just leave a comment below. Tell me how I did. If you like this hairstyle, give it a thumbs up. And if for my sisters with shaved hair, girl, we can do any style if we want to. And then you can do the style. Leave a comment below and tell me how you did. You can also follow me on my social media platform, which is Dorothy Achaleke on Instagram and on Facebook as well. So right now I'm just basically doing the same thing over, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and how I achieve the look. Just share this video, comment below, and tell me how I did. Like, if you have any questions or if you have any other style you would like me to do on shaved head, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. Please, 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 guys, support your sister and help me grow my YouTube channel. And for my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, let's get back to the video. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping step by step. Just watch the video. I didn't forward it. I didn't fast forward this part because I wanted to really show you guys how to actually achieve this look with no stress at all. And you just want to keep wrapping until you get the desired look. I ran out of the 1B30, and then I continue with just the 30 to continue to wrap until I get to the length that I need. And then from there, I'll just wrap it back up to seal the hair so it doesn't unravel as well. The good thing about this hairstyle is that the messier, the better. And anyone can achieve this look. Let me tell you, I never thought I could actually do it until I tried it. So, and you can always do it to your taste, and you can always switch it up a little. It's all up to you how you want yours to look. Alright, guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. So right now, as you can see, I'm wrapping the hair back upwards. This is just a process to help the hair stay in place and prevent the hair from unraveling. So you want to do this step because it is very important. Alright, guys, I hope I explained the whole process to you guys. And if you have more questions, just leave the comment below and I'll answer any questions you have. So just enjoy the video, share, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. So right now, I'm gonna speed up the process. And if you would like to see more creative styles like this, please leave that comment below and we'll make that happen. So thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the love. Share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you.